In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a fractal in TradingView 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to spice up your analytical techniques or a newcomer trying to understand the intricacies of charting patterns, this guide will be instrumental in advancing your skills. Let's jump right in. To begin with, you'll need to open your TradingView platform, look for the chart section and navigate to it. Once you're there, you will be greeted by a host of potential data that's ready to be analyzed. The chart serves as your canvas here, and we're about to set the stage for the fractal pattern. Next up, direct your attention to the toolbar on the screen. We're searching for the Forecasting and Measurement Tools section. These tools are crucial as they allow for pinpoint accuracy and precision when drawing patterns on your chart. Click on it, and you'll instantly see a variety of options, each designed to aid in different aspects of chart analysis. But don't get overwhelmed, we just need one specific tool from here. Now, we locate the Bars Pattern tool within this section. Go ahead, click on it. The Bars Pattern tool is unique because it assists in visually replicating a selected series of bars. Essentially, it's the key to unlocking our ability to design the fractal pattern on the TradingView interface. We're now moving into the crucial part of designing the fractal pattern. Choose a starting point on your chart for your pattern. This point is essential as it establishes the origin of the fractal. Take your time to select the right spot because your entire fractal design will pivot around this starting point. When you're ready, simply click on the chosen starting node. After setting the starting point, it's time to extend and complete the fractal design. To do this, move your cursor to the intended endpoint. This endpoint should encapsulate the segment of the chart you wish to replicate as a fractal. Understanding the structure of your data at this stage can greatly enhance the preciseness and relevance of your fractal pattern. With your endpoint in view, click to establish it. This final click generates your bespoke fractal pattern, and you can now see it directly on the screen. And there we have it. You've successfully drawn a fractal in TradingView 2025. Remember, this tool is not just about drawing patterns, but about strategic insights into market trends and repetitions. Through practice and exploration of various patterns, you'll further enhance your predictive skills and chart analytics. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey through TradingView 2025.